Over 90% of car owners waste money on cleaning services they could do at home. But here's the kicker. One dirty part of your car can make a freshly washed vehicle look old and neglected. Before you hand another $150 to a detail shop, here are 15 hidden car cleaning hacks most drivers still do not know. Let's dive in. Hack number 15. Microfiber glove dusting. Picture this, you wipe your dashboard, and 5 minutes later, dust is still sitting in every corner. The vents, buttons, cup holders, and steering wheel seams look untouched. But here's what most drivers miss. A microfiber glove works better than a cloth because your fingers become the cleaning tool. Here's the deal. Put it on, lightly mist it with interior cleaner, and run your fingers through tight gaps and vent slats. The fibers grab dust instead of pushing it around. Here's the kicker. Detailers charge $80 to $150 for touch-ups, but a $3 glove handles the annoying parts. Hack number 14. Alcohol glass reset. Your windshield looks clean during the day, but at night, headlights explode into streaks. You wipe it again and the haze stays. But here's what they don't tell you. Most haze is oily film from plastic, smoke, and cheap cleaners. Here's the deal. Put 70% isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber towel and wipe the inside glass in straight passes. Dry it with a second towel. The alcohol cuts grease and evaporates without residue. Here's the kicker. A $2 bottle cleans your windshield dozens of times, while shops roll the same step into a $100 interior detail. This next one makes seats look younger. Fabric seat towel lift. Your fabric seats look dull, flattened, and stained from sweat, dust, and food spills. You think you need a full extraction machine. But here's the truth. A damp towel and brush can lift most surface grime before it becomes permanent. Here's the deal. Mist the seat with diluted upholstery cleaner, scrub lightly, then press a clean towel into the fabric. Do not rub like crazy. Press and lift. The towel pulls dirty moisture out of the fibers. Here's the kicker. Shops charge $100 for seat shampoo, but most of the result comes from agitation and extraction. You just copy the principle with a towel. Now watch your floor mats. Laundry detergent mat scrub. Your floor mats take the worst abuse in the whole car. Mud, oil, food, and rainwater land there first. But here's what detailers rarely say. Mats don't need magic chemicals. They need degreasing and brushing. Here's the deal. Mix a teaspoon of laundry detergent in warm water. Scrub the mats hard with a stiff brush. Rinse, then dry them fully in sunlight. The detergent breaks down body oils and road grime. Here's the kicker. New mats can cost $50 to $120, but most ruined mats are just packed with dirt. Before we get to the really satisfying tricks, do me a favor, hit that like button. Done? Perfect. 10. Paint-safe bug soak. You finish a highway drive and your bumper looks like an insect graveyard. Leave it too long and bug acids can stain your clear coat. But here's what they don't tell you. Scrubbing dry bugs is what causes scratches. Here's the deal. Soak a towel in warm soapy water, lay it over the bug-covered area for 5 minutes, then wipe gently. The moisture softens the mess before you touch the paint. Here's the kicker. A repaint can cost hundreds, while this hack costs pennies and protects your clear coat. This next one makes black trims stop looking gray. Wheel brush first rinse. Your wheels look dirty even after washing because brake dust hides inside the corners. That black powder is hot metallic residue. But here's the scary part. If it sits too long, it bonds to the wheel finish. Here's the deal. Rinse the wheel first, spray wheel cleaner, then use a soft wheel brush behind the spokes and around the lug nuts. Always clean wheels before paint so brake dust doesn't splash onto clean panels. Here's the kicker. Wheel refinishing can cost $100 per wheel, but a $6 brush prevents most staining. This next one makes black trims stop looking gray. Trim cleaning before dressing. Your black plastic trim turns gray, chalky, and tired. Most drivers slap shiny dressing over it and wonder why it fades again tomorrow. But here's what most drivers miss. Dirty trim cannot absorb protectant. Here's the deal. Clean the plastic first with diluted soap and a soft brush. Dry it completely, then apply a tiny amount of trim restorer and buff off the excess. The cleaning step is the real secret. Here's the kicker. Detail shops sell trim restoration as a premium add-on, but half the magic is just removing old oxidation first. This next hack fixes the smell people notice first. Hack number 7. Cabin filter check. Your car smells stale even after perfume, spray, and hanging fresheners. Congratulations, you may be decorating the smell, not removing it. But here's the deal. A dirty cabin filter traps dust, pollen, mold smell, and old moisture. Open the glove box area, check the filter location in your manual, and replace it if it's gray, clogged, or damp. Here's the kicker. Shops charge $40 to $90 for this, but many filters cost under $15 and slide out in 2 minutes. Your nose will notice immediately. If you're getting value from this countdown, subscribe now. Number 1 makes an old car feel freshly detailed. Hack number 6. Door jamb wipe down. You wash the outside, but when you open the door, grime is sitting in the jambs like a confession. It instantly makes the car feel neglected. But here's what they don't tell you. Door jambs are one of the easiest places to create a professional detail look. Here's the deal. Spray a towel with rinseless wash or mild cleaner, then wipe around hinges, latches, rubber seals, and painted edges. Do not blast water into electronics or grease points. Here's the kicker. This takes 10 minutes and makes the car feel cleaner every time someone opens the door. This next one is for dusty vents. Hack number 5. Foam brush vent sweep. Your AC vents collect dust where your fingers cannot reach. Then every time you turn the fan on, the car sneezes at you. But here's what most people don't know. A cheap foam paintbrush fits between vent slats. Here's the deal. Lightly dampen the foam brush, slide it between the slats, and pull the dust out slowly. Follow with the fan on low. Here's the kicker. A $1 foam brush makes vent detailing stupidly simple. Hack number 4. Matte dashboard finish. Your dashboard should not look like it was dipped in cooking oil. That shiny finish reflects sunlight into your windshield and makes the cabin look cheap. But here's the truth. Clean and matte beats shiny every time. Here's the deal. Use diluted interior cleaner on a microfiber towel, wipe the dash evenly, then buff with a dry towel. Use protectant only if it leaves a non-greasy finish. Here's the kicker. A clean, matte dash looks newer, reduces glare, and stops dust from sticking to oily residue. If you made it this far, click that like button. Hack number 3. Seatbelt deep wipe. Your seatbelt touches clothes, sweat, food, hands, and dust for years, yet almost nobody cleans it. But here's the scary part. A dirty belt can retract slowly because grime builds up on the fabric. Here's the deal. Pull the belt all the way out, clamp it gently with a clip, wipe both sides with mild soap and water, then dry it fully before letting it retract. Here's the kicker. You're not just cleaning a strap, you're helping the most important safety device in the car move correctly. This next one changes the whole interior. Hack number 2. Pedal and footwell reset. Your pedals and footwell collect mud, dust, and shoe grime every day. Clean seats mean nothing if the driver area still looks like a construction site. But here's what detailers know. The footwell is where people subconsciously judge cleanliness. Here's the deal. Vacuum first, scrub pedals with a damp brush, wipe the plastic kick panels, and clean the carpet edge near the seat rails. Here's the kicker. This takes 5 minutes, but it makes the entire cabin feel maintained. Now for the number 1 hack with the biggest before and after. Hack number 1. The final towel test. You think your car is clean because it looks shiny from 6 feet away, but here's what they don't tell you. The final towel tells the truth. Here's the deal. After cleaning any panel, glass, trim, or seat, wipe it once with a clean white microfiber towel. If the towel comes back gray, brown, or greasy, you're not done. Repeat the clean and white process until the towel stays clean. That's the difference between looking clean and actually being clean. Here's the kicker. Professional detailers don't trust their eyes. They check residue, streaks, texture, and transfer. This one habit makes every cheap hack work better because it stops you from sealing dirt under products. So that is our list of 15 cheap car cleaning hacks that can make your car look detailed without paying detail shop prices. How many did you already know? Drop a comment and tell me which one shocked you the most. If this video saved you money, hit subscribe for more car tips that get straight to the point. Your car and your wallet will thank you. Click the next video for more tricks.